Earthquake preparedness. Are you ready? Did you know that the Earth experiences thousands of earthquakes every single day? While we can't stop these powerful forces of nature, we can prepare for them. This video will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to stay safe during an earthquake. Welcome to this crucial video on earthquake preparedness. Earthquakes are a powerful and unpredictable force of nature. Being prepared is essential for your safety and survival, and the safety of your loved ones. This video aims to provide you with the knowledge and practical steps you can take to protect yourself and your family. We'll cover everything from assembling an emergency kit to understanding your local risks. Let's get started. Many people are simply not prepared for an earthquake. This lack of preparedness leaves them vulnerable when disaster strikes. It's a widespread issue that needs to be addressed. A common misconception is that earthquakes only happen in certain regions. The truth is, earthquakes can occur almost anywhere. Don't assume you're safe just because you don't live in a well-known earthquake zone. Another dangerous myth is that you'll have plenty of warning before an earthquake hits. In reality, earthquakes strike with little to no warning. You need to be ready to react instantly. Some people believe they can outrun an earthquake. This is simply not true. Earthquakes can cause the ground to shake violently, making it impossible to run safely. Finally, many believe their homes are inherently safe during an earthquake. While some buildings are more earthquake-resistant than others, no building is completely immune to damage. This lack of awareness leaves people vulnerable and unprepared. Earthquake preparedness involves several key areas. These include assembling an emergency kit, practicing safety protocols, and understanding your home's vulnerabilities. Let's explore each of these in detail. First, it's crucial to assemble an emergency kit. This kit should contain everything you need to survive for at least 72 hours after an earthquake. This will allow you to be self-sufficient while waiting for help to arrive. Essential items for your emergency kit include water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. Don't forget medications, extra batteries, and copies of important documents. Consider including items for pets and infants, if applicable. Next, learn and practice the drop, cover, and hold on safety protocol. This is the best way to protect yourself during an earthquake. It's a simple yet effective technique that can save your life. Drop, cover, and hold on means dropping to your hands and knees, covering your head and neck with your arms, and holding on to any sturdy furniture. Stay in this position until the shaking stops. Practice this with your family so everyone knows what to do. It's also important to identify your home's structural vulnerabilities. Look for potential hazards like unreinforced masonry or a weak foundation. Consider consulting with a structural engineer to assess your home's earthquake resistance. Secure heavy objects to prevent them from falling during an earthquake. This includes things like bookshelves, televisions, and water heaters. Use straps, bolts, or other appropriate methods to secure these items to the walls or floor. Finally, educate yourself about earthquakes. Learn about the science behind earthquakes, the risks in your area, and the best ways to stay safe. Knowledge is power when it comes to earthquake preparedness. Research local fault lines and understand the potential for earthquakes in your region. Knowing your risk level is the first step in preparing for an earthquake. Contact your local emergency management agency for information on earthquake hazards in your area. Explore resources like FEMA, Federal Emergency Management Agency, and your local emergency agencies. These organizations offer valuable information, training, and resources to help you prepare for earthquakes. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your preparedness efforts. Imagine the ground suddenly lurching beneath your feet. The walls begin to shake violently, and the sound of crashing objects fills the air. This was the reality for Maria during a devastating earthquake. She described the terror, chaos, and helplessness she felt as her home was rocked by the earthquake. Furniture overturned, windows shattered, and the entire house seemed to be on the verge of collapse. It was a terrifying experience. Fortunately, Maria had taken the time to prepare for an earthquake. She had assembled an emergency kit, practiced the drop, cover, and hold-on protocol with her family, and secured heavy objects in her home. Because of her preparedness, Maria and her family were able to protect themselves during the earthquake. They knew exactly what to do and were able to take shelter under a sturdy table. They emerged from the earthquake, shaken but unharmed. Maria's story highlights the importance of earthquake preparedness. Her preparation made the difference between survival and potential tragedy. It's a powerful reminder that taking proactive steps can save lives. Earthquake preparedness involves understanding the risks, taking proactive steps, and equipping yourself with knowledge and resources. It's about being ready to respond quickly and effectively when an earthquake strikes. By assembling an emergency kit, practicing safety protocols, and understanding your home's vulnerabilities, you can significantly increase your chances of survival. Don't wait until it's too late. Start preparing today. Remember, earthquake preparedness is not just about protecting yourself. It's about protecting your family, your community, and your future. Take the time to prepare, and you'll be better equipped to face the challenges of an earthquake. Now it's your turn. Share your earthquake preparedness tips in the comments below. What steps have you taken to protect yourself and your family? Your insights could help others prepare as well. Check out our other video on natural disaster readiness for more information on how to prepare for other types of emergencies. We cover topics like flood safety, wildfire preparedness, and hurricane readiness. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information and inspired you to take action. Remember, being prepared is the best way to protect yourself and your loved ones. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on safety and preparedness. Your support helps us create more videos like this one so we can continue to educate and empower communities around the world. Stay safe.